Hi, this is Joel from Chapman, and I have here our new customizable kits. Really excited about these. We can do small runs of about 10 kits that have custom 3D printed labels, laser engraved ratchets, and custom cards that go on the inside. So the 3D printed labels are pretty cool. We can do all different colors and we can do all different logos, pretty much whatever you want. And it'd be great for like a business logo or your family name or a club name. And they affix permanently to the outside of our kits. Then the ratchets, we're a little bit more limited on these. We can laser engrave in black, and we can do simpler, smaller logos, but we are limited by the space of the ratchet. But you can choose just about any font you would like, and it's permanent. It comes out really nice. And then for the cards that go on the inside of the kits, we can do just about anything. So as I said, totally customizable in terms of the label, the ratchet, and the card. At this point, we have cases in a bunch of different colors and handles, screwdriver handles in black or red. So we can do all different color combinations and in lots of about 10 minimum. So you can see these kits on our website, chapmanmfg.com.